Have you ever opened your phone for just 5 minutes and then suddenly, an hour is gone? Your to-do list still untouched. Your brain scattered. You're not alone. Today, we're talking about something almost all of us struggle with: overuse of social media and technology, and more importantly, how to take back control of your time, focus, and peace of mind. Social media isn't evil. It helps us stay connected, informed, and entertained. But here's the truth: it's also engineered to keep you hooked. Every like, scroll, and notification is carefully designed to hijack your attention and keep you scrolling. And what's the cost? Decreased focus, rising anxiety and depression, disrupted sleep, and worst of all, lost time. Time you'll never get back. We don't even realize how addicted we've become. We grab our phones the moment we're bored, anxious, or uncomfortable. But every time we do that, we're avoiding real life, real growth, real presence. So how do you know if it's a problem? Here are some red flags. You check your phone first thing in the morning and last thing at night. You feel anxious or bored without your device. You scroll aimlessly for more than 1 to 2 hours a day. You struggle to focus, even on important tasks. If any of these sound familiar, don't panic. This isn't about guilt. It's about awareness and action. Let's talk solutions. Here are 5 powerful ways to reduce social media and tech overuse. Digital detox time blocks. Start small. Pick 1 to 2 hours a day where your phone is off or in another room. Use this time for deep work, reading, exercise, or simply being present. Gradually increase your offline hours over time. Turn off non-essential notifications. Every ping, buzz, and alert is a distraction. Go into your settings and disable notifications for all non-essential apps. You don't need to know about every like or meme in real time. Use app limits and tracking tools. iPhones and Androids now come with screen time tracking. Set daily time limits for your most used apps, and stick to them. Use apps like Forest or Freedom to block distractions while you focus. Create no-tech zones. Make your bedroom, dining table, or morning routine a no-phone zone. This helps you reset your mind and be more present with yourself and others. Replace, don't just remove. The biggest mistake people make is cutting out screen time without replacing it. Find real-life activities that energize you. Go for walks. Read books. Journal. Start a hobby. Call a friend. These things might feel awkward at first, but with time, they bring more joy and meaning than endless scrolling ever could. Here's the truth: technology should serve you, not control you. Every moment you spend online is a moment you're trading away. Make sure it's worth it. Life is happening right now, in real conversations, real experiences, real growth. You don't need to quit social media completely. But you do need to reclaim your time and attention. Because where your focus goes, your energy flows. So start today. Take one small step. Set one limit. Choose one real-world activity. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more personal growth content,